Hello everyone, in this video I'll give you my opinion on the Outlier AI platform and whether it's legit or not, or if it's a scam. Now, Outlier is a platform that hires persons in all kinds of like specializations such as math, chemistry, law to share their experience to train AI models. So once you are hired by them, they'll ask you to complete certain tasks in order to educate their AI model with your real life experience in your specific field. Now, based on the feedback I saw from persons who actually worked with Outlier, I would say that it is not a scam, because many people reported that they did get paid once they completed the tasks that are asked from Outlier to them to complete. So the final verdict is that Outlier AI is not a scam, and it's a legitimate website that does pay you for the tasks that you complete.